welcome to the session. So please come on video fast. See, it's not a class. It's beyond class. So most of the things here will be informal. Let's have a classroom experience. Everyone, fast. Join the video. Okay, great. I can see Kamalpreet Singh, Abhishek Agrawal, Bajrang Lonikar, Manmeet Panwar, Abhishek Chandra, Nathia Sankar, Jaydeep, Rahul Goyal, Govind Shete, Sanish KK, Manmeet Panwar. Great. Fast, come fast. Good evening, everyone. Fayal. Hi, welcome, Fayal.
Good evening, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah, still a lot of people are, off video. So it's okay the way you are. So even if you are having dinner or you are like doing something else, that's okay. I understand you are at home and the things are not quite like the classroom, like you are not in the classroom. Hi Rajat, welcome. Sanish,
Hello.
Gayatri. Yeah, Vivek, you have some question? You are raising your hand. Okay, great. I can see so many people joining in. Govind, Niranjan, Priyanka, Khushbu, Devi Sri, Vinita, Harsha, please, Dhanya, please come on the video fast. Minakshi, Rupa, so many people here. Okay, great. So welcome to the, sorry. Oh, there is some problem with my camera. Just give me a few seconds. Yeah, just few seconds. I'm just opening it. Yeah, hi. So let's start the journey. Are you excited? Everyone, are you excited? Say yes. You can unmute. You can say yes. Okay,
Yes, sir.
Great.
Yes, sir.
Great. Wow. Great. Okay, great. Wonderful. So let's start, and I'm sharing a PPT with you people. Just give me a few seconds. Yeah, I think it's visible to you people.
Yes, sir.
So
Yes, sir.
this is
Yes, sir.
wonderful. This is 5 days daily workshop, and we call it UPSC Toppers Club. And I can promise you one thing: the things that we are going to cover here will transform your life. So what's the intention of the boot camp? I call it boot camp because here we are working at a very basic level, but on very important aspects. The purpose, the intention of the boot camp is to leave you with competency for producing breakthrough results. Please keep in mind, breakthrough results in every area of your life. And this is very important, every area. It's not limited to your UPSC as journey. It's every area with increasing power and velocity. Power means you have the power over the things, you have the power over the circumstances. Velocity means you can maneuver the speed. So let's see the design of the boot camp. And here I want to lay down certain ground rules so that you can take the maximum benefit from the boot camp. First of all, it's a training. You know what is the meaning of training? Training means that I tell you something and you do it. I tell you something and you do it. So it's not a classroom, it's not a theory lecture, it's a training. So you need to be ready for the training. Okay. Next, this training will work you at two levels in two ways. One is as a human being. Second, as an UPSC aspirant. So you will be benefiting as a human being and you will be benefiting as an aspirant. We will be working at both the levels simultaneously, because if you are happy, productive as a human being, you are happy and productive as an aspirant. And it's always better to be happy and happy and satisfying. It increases your productivity, it increases your result, and that is the ultimate objective that we have, everyone. Third, this training is going to be confronting, because here we are going to work on the real stuff, the real life, and it is not comfortable, I can tell you, but it is alive. So it's not comfortable means you might be looking the life in a new way, and some things might not be comfortable to you, something you don't want to revisit in your life, but if you do that, your life will be more alive. So we will be working on certain areas. Then, you know what is the difference between the informative learning and the transformative learning? Anyone? What is the difference between the informative learning and the transformative learning? Anyone, whatever you know, just unmute yourself and share. See, please participate. It's not a class. I'm not going to teach you anything. We are here to do kind of informal discussion, I can say. Anyone, please.
So informing is like just listening.
Yeah.
Hello. And
Yes.
transformative is just applying the whatever the
Absolutely.
applying in life. Yeah.
Yeah, that is one part. Okay. Anyone else would like to try? So let me tell. The kind of learning that we have been doing from our childhood, that is informative learning. You are a graduate, you are a doctor, you are an engineer, because you have certain set of information. You have read certain books. That is informative learning. That is very important in our life, because without that we can't have bread and butter. But that informative learning is not sufficient. Why is that not sufficient? Because that informative learning does not provide you satisfaction. It may not result in the happiness. It may not provide you the complete meaning of the life. So here comes the role of the transformative learning. What is transformative learning? In transformative learning, you learn the things in a practical manner, plus you apply those things in your life, and you unleash your potential at the highest level. That means you have the informative learning, but despite having the informative learning, you are not able to achieve your highest level of happiness, productivity, satisfaction. So transformative learning works on the barriers which already exist in the informative learning. So transformative learning, it will remove the barriers which are on the way to the productivity, the happiness, and the satisfaction. So that is transformative learning. So we will be working on the model of transformative learning, not the informative learning. Fourth, there are, have you been in the stadium anywhere? Have you seen the matches, cricket match, Bollywood match, football match? So there are two kind of people. Can you guess whom I'm talking about? Please be participative. Yeah, yes, Khushbu. Okay, you are switching on your AC. Okay, you can raise your hand like this. Okay. So two kind of person. Yeah, try करो. गलत होगा तो क्या हुआ?
Winners and losers, sir.
Winners and losers. Okay, that is one thing. Okay, Jaideep, very good, Jaideep. Who play and who cheers? That's very good. So there are two kind of person. One is the player, and another set of person is the audiences. Now, tell me certain actions of the audiences. किस तरह के actions लेते हैं audiences? क्या क्या उनके actions होते हैं? क्या उनके emotional response होता है? Like what is their language? Everyone cheers. Okay, they are cheering. They are boosting morale. Okay. What else? वो तो ठीक है. That is one action. What else? Apart from like cheering up, apart from boosting morale, they are judging, evaluating the players. They are saying, यार कोहली ने ये गलत कर दिया और आज रहाणे ने ये action अच्छा नहीं लिया. They are in an advice mode. Am I right? And they are excited, or sometime when Team India is not winning, they are down with the emotions. Oh na yaar, तो गया काम. Yeah, तो Pakistan जीत गया. We are losing. Kohli is not doing good. This is bad. Indian team is bad. Our coach is bad. Our selectors are bad. So either we are cheering up. Our emotional responses are high, low. We are like we are victim of the emotions, right? Can you relate to it? Please say yes, no. यार unmute कर लो, कोई problem नहीं है. Let's have
Yes,
a
sir.
discussion.
Yes, sir.
Okay, wonderful. Unmute करके रखो, mute मत करो, ठीक है? कोई problem नहीं है. Yeah. So this is how the audiences participate in the stadium, ठीक है? Okay. अभी unmute करने का एक side effect है. जिन लोगों के background में noise है, please आप mute कर लीजिए. Those people who are having the noise in the background, please mute yourself. I don't know. Acha, thank you very much. So this is the response of the audience. Players, how is the response of the players? Are players emotionally unstable in the field?
No, sir.
No, sir.
What is their focus?
They
Just
focus
winning.
on winning.
Action. They miss a ball, they think about what is the next action. They miss a ball, think about what is the next action. They win like they hit a six, and then they come together, they discuss what is the next strategy. And okay, there is some background noise. Everyone, someone is there who is having the background noise. Yeah. So here I'm inviting you. Okay, again, there is a lot of background noise coming from someone's background. Yeah, so here I'm inviting you to participate as a player on the court, inside the stadium, not outside the stadium. I'm not saying to participate as an audience. Are you getting the point? So
Yes,
here
sir.
we are all players, not the audiences. Everyone, okay? So that is another rule of the workshop. Next is the outcome of the workshop will be non-linear. What does that mean? So on day one, someone will get wonderful outcome. Someone will say, yaar kuch maza nahi aaya aaj ke din to. On day two, someone will get very wonderful outcome, and someone will say, day two was not that much good. But one thing I will promise, it will be exponential by the time we reach the end of the workshop. It will be exponential, and it will start hitting your thought process from today itself. Okay, so don't worry about the outcome, just play, take the action, right? You have seen the movie Karate Kid. Have you seen anyone Karate Kid?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Can anyone tell the essence of that story? Anything you want to share about that story? Yes, Manmeet, you said yes.
Person should believe in himself,
Believe in the coach.
believe in himself also.
But here I'm speaking in the sense, see what happens, like there is a person who is a coach, and there is a student, So this student goes to the coach, and coach invites him to the household, and he asks him to do the household chores. Okay, अपने घर के काम कराने लगता है, like उसको white wash कराना, like इस तरह से white wash करता है, then cleaning the floor like this, है ना, then doing certain activities like this. So when the student is doing these activities, he didn't understand what is the purpose, of this household chores. So he goes to the coach and he says कि यार आप मुझसे घर का काम कराने के लिए बुलाया है आपने मुझे, या आपने मुझे कराटे सिखाने के लिए बुलाया है? Then the coach says, okay, sweep the floor, okay, wash the floor, okay, paint the wall. I mean, he will say certain action and the student will do that action, and the student realizes that he has already become the karate expert. Did you get my point? So this is the story of the Karate Kid. So coach is asking to do certain activity which student don't know is going to benefit at some place of point in his training. So similarly here, I am your coach, okay, and you are the participant. So I'll be asking you to do certain activities for which you might not be aware about the logic, but don't worry about the logic, that I will take care. You just have to do the activity, just take the action, nothing else. Everyone got this point? Are you okay with this? Ready?
Yes, sir.
Wonderful, wonderful. Then you have to pull this boot camp towards yourself. What does this mean? What is the meaning? You have to focus on every detail, and you have to, get most out of it. It's like river. This boot camp is like river. River is flowing. So it's up to you how much water you can draw from this river, right? So you have to pull this boot camp to yourself. And last, truth will set you free. So whichever activity you do, be true to yourself. That activity will be beneficial for yourself. Be open to new learning. Be coachable. Okay. So these are some of the ground rules that we will be expecting. Now, do you have a water bottle, everyone? Do you have a water bottle? If no, start having it. Okay. Keep taking the sip of water. Like I have this bottle. आपको दिख रहा है ये bottle? Have this bottle and keep taking a sip of water. Because when we are in some training, we might exert, we might feel exhausted. Okay. So this will keep energizing you. So how many of you don't have, have the bottle? You can show it to me, just like I have this bottle. अब तो स्टूडेंट तो सब लोग रखते ही हैं, क्योंकि वो बैठे बैठे कुछ काम ही नहीं है, पानी पीते रहो बस. एक क्वेश्चन लिखा, पानी पी लिया, एक पेज पढ़ा, पानी पी लिया. उसके बाद आपको उठने का भी मौका मिल जाता है. You go to the washroom at least. Okay, great. So now next is power of the body movement. देखिए यहाँ पे हम लोग बैठे हुए हैं, but it blocks the blood. After some time, what happens? Our concentration starts getting down. So keep moving. During the session also, we will keep moving. Okay. So can we start this activity right now? Can you please stand wherever you are? Okay, I'm standing at my place. Can you please stand and do some stretching? Just some stretching, because it's already 20 minutes. Okay, great, wonderful. Nitin, you can also try. Gayatri, Tanesh. Wonderful. So keep doing these exercises. We will also keep doing in between. And these are we have to manage the side effect of this online learning. Online learning, what happens? We have to focus on single screen, and it strains a lot of energy. It takes out a lot of energy. Wonderful. Now, 5 commitments that I need from you. Are you ready to give? Please say yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
I want it from everyone. Those who are not on video, you can also say yes.
Yes, sir.
Wonderful, wonderful. Number 1, I will complete all the given assignments on time. Yes, agree? Done?
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Number 2,
Yes,
I
sir.
will not say no to any challenge posted to me in the next 5 days. I will
Yes,
meet all
sir.
the challenges.
Okay, sir.
Wonderful.
Yes, sir.
I will not complain in the next 5 days.
Okay,
No
sir.
complaint.
Okay, sir.
Okay, sir.
Wonderful. See, understand the context. The context is, this is a training boot camp. When we do certain training, we have to follow certain rules. And the same training we can apply in our life. So if I am saying I will complete all the assignment in the next 5 days, that also means I will complete all the assignments in my life, in my studies. Second, I will not complain. That means I will not complain in my life about anything. I will not behave like a victim. Are you promising that? No complaint in the next 5 days.
Will you
The
try?
complaining part of you is gone for the next 5 days. Are you promising that? 24 hours. Okay. So this practice we are applying in this boot camp, but this is equally applicable to your life, 24 hours of your life. Okay. No complaint. Next, be 10 times more excited. So, ready for that? Meenakshi is already 20 times excited. 10 times more excited.
Yes,
Yeah,
sir.
just yourself.
Yes, sir.
Okay, sir.
See, story है ना कि like मुर्गा पहले आया कि अंडा पहले आया?
Yes.
Mystery है, sir.
Mystery है ना? So, smile, yeah, happiness, it came from I generated this, or it came when something happened to me. It's also a mystery. मतलब, I can be happy after certain result come to me. Okay, I become the IAS officer, now I'm happy. That is one way. Or I can be happy and then become IAS officer. So choice is mine. So which choice you take? First or
Second one.
Second one, sir.
Second one,
Because
sir.
first one is not in your hand. That is in the hand of the God. आपकी जन्मपत्री में लिखा होगा तो पक्का होगा, नहीं लिखा होगा तो कुछ भी कर लोगे तो नहीं होगा. Means I'm not saying that you have to completely die with the luck, but luck plays certain role. Okay, when we have the lucky draw, certain people they qualify and others don't qualify. Okay, does not mean that those don't qualify. They are not good enough, but they are not lucky enough in that lucky draw. Similarly, in the life also there are certain examinations where we are not lucky enough. So that is the thing. Okay, so this you have to be 10 times more excited in your life, not only here. In your life, you should be like 10 times more smiling, 10 times more energetic. And when you go in front of the mirror, see yourself and be 10 times more excited. Start exuberating that energy. That energy is already inside you. Okay? That is already inside you. Don't wait for someone else to infuse that energy inside you. Wonderful. So these are the 4 commitments. Fifth commitment is I will be coachable. What does that mean? Coachable. I will be open to the new learning, the new things. I am ready to unlearn certain past things which might be stopping my learning. Yeah. Ready, everyone? Please say yes,
Yes,
no.
sir.
Yes,
Yes, sir.
Wonderful.
Yes,
wonderful.
sir.
Next,
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
finish what you start. Okay, this is very important. Okay, if you are starting it today, you have to finish this boot camp. Not because I am saying it, but because you are a champion. Champions always finish the race. They don't give up in between. And finally, you always try to differentiate between new and which you already know. That means if you learn something which you already know, don't think, yeah, I already know about it. What is new in this? Okay, it's okay. Okay, sir, please move forward. Rather, I will say, even if you know that thing already, just think what new I can learn from this. Are you getting? So you might be already aware about something that we discussed in the boot camp, but I will invite you to see that from a new lens, from a new point of view, right? Be open to the learning, right? So that is another request that I have. Now, let's see overview of the 5 days curriculum, how the 5 days are going to be happening next 5 days. Okay, I'll be mute. There is some disturbance from someone. Okay, Abhishek Chandra. It was from your side, not a problem. Okay, I'll be muting everyone now for some time. Then I will give you the opportunity to mute because there is some disturbance from the background. It is distracting. I understand. Thank you very much for your cooperation. Yeah. So the overview of 5 days, how are we going to operate in these 5 days? Day 1, today, we will work upon self-awareness because everything starts with being aware about ourselves. We will work on the human trap, the reasons of the negative mindset, and the 10 ways to differentiate average versus the topper. 6 operating states to your preparation. So you are preparing for the IAS exam. You can see the IAS preparation from the perspective of a project. So we will discuss upon that. And if we find the time, we will be discussing the result to the relationship. Day 2, that is tomorrow, we will be working on the digital detoxification, getting the peak energy. So what we'll be doing, we will start with brain gym. Then we will see the 5 hacks to overcome the digital addiction. Energy shower. So I will give you certain things to think from so that you have the maximum energy in your life. Tomorrow you will experience the maximum energy in the session itself. The peace of mind. We will discuss the miracle formula. Day 3, we will work on the productivity and time mastery. How to maximize your productivity. Something we will discuss about Kaizen and scheduling like a pro. We will also discuss something like time mastery secrets. We will see how time has to be looked upon as an energy. Day 4, we will work upon brain capacity and memory maximizers. Some of the secrets, how our memory works, happy chemicals, and state change activities. What is a state change activity? Something you are, for example, you are feeling very low. So applying this activity, you can suddenly, get your peak level of energy without any drugs. I'm not saying to ask, have any drugs or something else. It's only about thinking process. The last day, it will be graduation ceremony, and I will lay down the blueprint for the long term, and the bonus tools will be given. So bonus tool will be given to those people who complete all the assignment, and there will be rewards also. I will announce the reward structure tomorrow. So tomorrow I will announce what kind of reward will be given, what will be the terms and condition. One thing will be there, those people who complete all the assignment, the reward will be given to only them. They are eligible to participate in the lucky draw. Okay. So you have to complete all the assignment, you have to submit all the assignment, then only you are eligible to get the reward. This reward will be given to 5 people, and the top reward will be worth rupees 10,000. Are you getting? So first reward will be 10,000, second and third reward will be 5,000 each, and fourth and fifth will be 2,500 each. So approximately how much? 25,000 worth of reward you are going to get in the next 5 days. Is it clear to everyone? What will be the process of the reward? That I will tell you tomorrow. Okay, but eligibility is that you have to complete all the assignments. Ready for it? Wonderful. And really be serious about these rewards. These rewards will be worthy. These will be worth of your the work that you'll be doing in the assignment. Wonderful. So we have seen the 5 days curriculum. These are the bonuses. These will be given to those people who complete all the assignments. Smart productive day scheduler, powerful meditation tools, brain gym techniques, active study approach. Then special bonuses, history memory tricks, and all of these. Bonus 2, bonus 3, bonus 4. Means mastery tricks, answer writing hacks, and rewards worth rupees 25,000. We have increased it to 25,000. Okay, from 10,000 to 25,000. Now, 3 things you want to accomplish out of this boot camp. Please type in the chat box, or maybe you just write it with yourself. It can be anything. It can be about this exam. It can be about your life as an aspirant. I can promise you, the more you are clear about your intention, the more it will be delivered to you. कहते हैं ना, अगर एक बार हम डिसाइड कर लेते हैं तो यूनिवर्स उसको सक्सेसफुल बनाने में जुट जाता है. So it's all about you being clear. What do you need here from this? And it's a river. You can draw anything from this boot camp. The tools that I will be sharing with you are very, very powerful tools, very, very well researched tools. So you can share in the chat box. Okay, try to control mind, increase productivity. Okay, wonderful. Increase speeding reading, productivity improvement. Wonderful, sure. Time management. Okay, sure. Willpower, time management, high productivity, focus. Sure. Effective time management, time management. So productivity, time management, memory, concentration, proper word choice, 360-degree angle, positive approach, setting the correct mindset. Wonderful, wonderful. Overcoming the laziness. Okay, this is very, very, very honest answer. Overcoming the laziness. Wonderful. Consistency and speed, increase productivity. Wonderful, wonderful. Consistency, that's very important. Absolutely. Productivity, concentration, Vinayak, Gayatri. Sure, sure. Leave the fear of answer writing. Okay, I got your point. Wonderful. Now, how many of you have certain kind of negative thoughts? Okay, Shubham Kakani, emotional issues, determination. How many of you, you have certain kind of negative thoughts which come to your mind, day in, day out? I'm not saying you are, depressed or you are a negative person, but, there are a lot of negative thoughts which keep troubling you a lot. देखिए मुझे तो बहुत आते हैं. Every minute I have a lot of thoughts. Just like when I was starting this session, I had a thought whether I will be able to deliver the promised outcome. I had a thought, what if the light goes? What if my internet connection breaks? So these negative thoughts, these fears, okay? What if COVID happens to me? What if COVID happens to my family members? What if someone dies? Okay, so this can be anything, negative thought, okay? And I asked you to do one thing in the starting only. Be honest, be open to yourself. That will set you free. Being truth will set you the free. So be truth. Don't say, sir, I don't have any negative thought. I am a positive person. If you don't have a negative thought, you are not supposed to be here. you should be in the Himalayas, because then you don't need to prepare for the IAS exam also. So each one of us has that kind of thought. It's just that we need to notice it and we need to acknowledge this. Then only we can set ourselves free from that. Okay, wonderful. What will be the future when try to recall answer and unable to do so? I lose my calmness and confidence too. I'm very anxious. Okay, yeah, that's very natural. Now, just think, do you have these kind of thoughts? I don't finish what I start. Are you having this kind of thought about yourself? How many of you, you start something but you don't finish? How many of you? Please be honest. You can just wave your hand like this, or you can say, you type in the chat box. How many of you think that the life is unfair to me? How many of you think I am unlucky? Please be honest to yourself. Give answer to yourself, okay? Not for me, but for yourself. You have a choice either to ignore my questions or to consider it from a new thought process. As I said in the starting only. How many of you think everything, like not everything is okay in my life? Like you are not okay with certain things in your life. How many of you think that I am not good enough? There is some problem with me. I am not good enough. Okay. How many of you think I could have done better in the past? Sometime. Okay, Abhishek. I could have done better in the past. See, I'm not saying these thoughts will come every moment of your life, but these thoughts have certain space in your mind. If not always, many times they come to your mind. You have certain regrets. How many of you think I was mistreated by someone? Someone mistreated me, maybe in my family, maybe in my school, my office, my society, my friends. You got an unfair treatment. Okay, Fayal, I got it. And thank you for being honest. Thank you for, showing that courage. Not everyone has the courage to accept all of that. Okay, Bajrang, I got your point. How many of you think that I really want the freedom from my past? The past actually, troubles me. If I can remove my past, my life will be something else. I can do something. I can become anything. So there is something wrong with my past. I want to set free from my past. Okay, Kanwal, Bajrang, Manmeet, Marco Sudhi, thank you for being courageous and sharing it. How many of you think I have done a lot of things to change myself, but the more I change myself, the more I remain the same? The more books I read, the more I remain the same. By the way, these are not easy questions. How many of you think I'm a hard worker? If God picks one hard worker, I'm the first one. Okay, Abhishek. Meenakshi, you are also hard worker, right? I'm also hard worker. I accept it. How many of you think I am all alone? जिंदगी में अकेले आए थे, अकेले हैं और अकेले ही जाएंगे. How many of you think no one understands me in my life? कोई समझता ही नहीं है. मेरा जो सबसे खास दोस्त है ना, जो चड्डी बटी है, वो भी नहीं समझता मुझे. No, there are people who understands. Okay, there are people, but most of the people don't understand me. Most of the people don't understand me. I am different kind of human being. Their thought process, my thought process don't match. Great. And how many of you think my time has not yet come? अभी मेरा टाइम नहीं आया है. जब ये आएगा तब देखना मैं क्या करके दिखाऊंगा दुनिया को। ओके अभिषेक चंद्रा, आई गॉट यू। आई कैन अंडरस्टैंड फ्रॉम योर स्माइल कि कहीं ना कहीं तो चलता है ये माइंड में। ओके, हाउ मेनी ऑफ यू थिंक दैट आई एम इंडिपेंडेंट? भाई मैं तो इंडिपेंडेंट हूँ, मुझे ना तो किसी की हेल्प चाहिए, कोई मुझसे हेल्प लेगा तो मैं कर दूंगा, बट मैं इंडिपेंडेंट हूँ। आई एम नॉट डिपेंडेंट ऑन एनीवन। ओके, सो डोंट से एनीथिंग टू मी। आई एम इंडिपेंडेंट। ओके, हाउ मेनी ऑफ यू फील द सर्कमस्टांसेस आर नॉट गुड अराउंड मी? यार ये सर्कमस्टांस अच्छे नहीं है अभी। ये जब सर्कमस्टांस ठीक हो जाएंगे ना, देन लाइफ विल बी समथिंग एल्स। अभी थोड़ा सा वो क्या बोलते हैं, गर्लफ्रेंड मान जाएगी कि 2 साल बाद शादी करेंगे तब अच्छा होगा, या घर वाले मान जाएंगे कि शादी अभी थोड़ा लेट रुक के करेंगे, यार 1 साल और दे दो एग्जाम प्रिपरेशन के लिए। है ना ऐसा लाइफ में, और कुछ गलत नहीं है होने से। हाउ मेनी ऑफ यू फील दैट आई एम ऑल टायर्ड, बोर्ड, फ्रस्ट्रेटेड विद माई एग्जिस्टिंग रूटीन? जो लाइफ है ना यार, यहाँ से फ्रीडम दे दो मुझे बस। अब मुझे लाइक ये स्टडी बहुत हो गया, पढ़ते पढ़ते ना जान निकल जाएगी, एग्जाम देते देते पता नहीं कब तक चलता रहेगा ये प्रोसेस। ओके बजरंग, यू आर स्माइलिंग। ओके, इट मींस ओके। हाउ मेनी ऑफ यू थिंक देयर इज समथिंग रॉन्ग वेयर I am born at a wrong time, or under wrong circumstances, or things could have been much better. I'm not lucky enough. How many of you feel irritated at times without your control? Like you don't have the control over the circumstances. You feel irritated. Okay. Burnt out. Okay, you feel burnt out. Okay. How many of you are like overthinking? Thinking. Okay, Abhishek. Thinking. The things which are never going to happen. Overthinking. Okay. And when you realize, you find that you have wasted a lot of time. Okay, I got you. And first of all, the purpose was not to, touch your pain point, but to, bring you to certain space of mindset. Okay, so all of these thoughts, first of all, can you see most of the people here actually having these thoughts? कितने सारे लोगों ने yes बोला था? So it's not limited to you, it's not limited to me, it's not limited to Vivek, or not limited to Nathya or Sanish or Nitin, Abhishek, Kanwalpreet, Meenakshi. It means there is something behind this, like every human is struggling with these thoughts. So what is the history of this negative thought? Are you interested in doing that? Are you interested in listening to that? What is the history behind this negative thought? Why this happens? ये होता ही क्यों है यार? ये कुछ तो होगा ना, भगवान ने हमें सब कुछ दिया है, लेकिन उसके बावजूद भी ये माइंडसेट दे दिया यहाँ पे, and this actually keeps troubling us. Are you interested in that? Okay. So before telling you the story of this negative mindset, why this happens, so that we, why we need to know the story, so that we can have a sense of control over this. I'm not saying that you will overcome these negative thoughts. These negative thoughts will remain there till the time you don't die. For getting over this negative mindset, you have to first die, then only this negative mindset can go. We can actually notice these thoughts, and we can break free from the stress of these negative thoughts. That is our purpose. So the awareness precedes the change, right? So if we are aware about this and why this happens, then probably we can be free from the impact of this negative thought. Negative thoughts will not go anywhere. It's like there is sunshine. So negative thought is like a sunshine. It is already there, but we have certain tools, like we have an umbrella, or we are in our inside our home. so that we are not under the impact of that sunshine. Are you getting? ताकि जो तेज धूप होती है उससे हम बच सके. हमारे पास में अम्ब्रेला है या हमारे पास में कोई छत है हम जिसके छत के नीचे हैं. So this sunshine will never go, because that is also important for the energy, for the, for everything. That sunshine is required, but we can actually overcome the negative impact of the sunshine. Similarly, we can overcome the the adverse impact of the negative mindset if we are aware about why this happens. Okay. Before proceeding further, I am going to give you the first assignment of the day. Are you ready for that? And it's very easy and interesting as well. Ready for the assignment? First assignment? Okay, wonderful. So the first assignment is very simple assignment, and don't ask me the logic. The first assignment is bringing the impeccability in your space. Bringing the impeccability in your space means arranging your space. So in this assignment, what you have to do, and this is just you have to do right now, you have to arrange the desktop of your laptop or the home page of your mobile phone. Okay. So normally क्या होता है, our desktop of the laptop is very scattered. There are a lot of folders, lot of files, unarranged files, lot of internet browsers are already open, and abhi mobile phone क्या है मेरा, like I have this mobile phone. So in this mobile phone there are so many apps there. So these are like unarranged, कोई कहीं पे पड़ा हुआ है. So right now what you have to do, you have to arrange the home screen of your laptop or the home screen of your phone, whichever you choose right now. So the time starts now. You have 3 minutes to do that. Okay, do that, and you post the screenshot of your phone or your laptop, or in case you think that it is secret or some privacy you want to maintain. I understand that you might not be comfortable. Then at least you can type in the chat comment box done. Okay, but as I said, truth will set you free. Do it with a purpose. Okay, don't do it just for completing the assignment. Do it right now. So your time starts now. 3 minutes. Arrange your desktop and laptop. It is the first foundation of the productivity, because everyone asked me to work on the productivity. The first foundation is you have very neat and clean space around you. So time starts now. I am posting the comment in the Telegram channel. So you will be replying to the comment. You will be leaving a comment that, okay, this assignment is done. I will encourage you to post a screenshot of your laptop or mobile phone. Or if not the screenshot, you can take a picture from a bit distance to show that. So 2 minutes left. One minute is left. please keep in mind, if you want to get the reward of 25,000 rupees, completing every assignment is compulsory. So we will be tracking the assignment from the comment that you post. We will be managing an Excel sheet. Okay. So don't say, sir, हमें पता नहीं था. Complete the assignment and post in the comment section that you have completed the assignment, so that your name can come in the list of people who are eligible to get the 25,000 rupees reward. Okay. 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 Are you done, everyone? Okay, I can see Sankalp, very good. Pratibha, very good. Abhishek, Mithilesh, okay. Abhishek Tiwari, you need to do it better, okay? It's still not done. Shakti Meena, okay. Okay, Khushbu, Dhanya, desktop, okay. See, you just don't have to post the picture. You have to arrange in a way which is impeccable. Okay. Second, you have to upload in the Telegram channel. In the Telegram channel, I have posted a picture. So there is an option of leaving the comment. So just leave the comment there. Okay. So do it for really getting the benefit. And by the way, I'll give you more time. Those people who have not completed, they can complete by 11 p.m. Okay, you have the time till 11 p.m. because I don't want to disturb the speed of the session. For those who have not completed and they want to complete this assignment, you can do by 11 p.m. But do it not because I am saying, do it because this is the first set of first set of productivity hack. Manage it properly, the way which actually makes your life easy. By the way, whichever assignment I am giving to you, I am doing those assignments myself also. I can share my screen with you. Can you see? This is my desktop screen. Can you see? This desktop I have arranged today only before the session. Like I try to keep it in arranged form regularly, but I have arranged it today also before starting the session. So whatever assignment I am giving to you, I am implementing it first. So it's like not just preaching you, but I am also implementing the same. Okay, great. So anyone would like to share how, like what did you feel? Like what is your experience of doing this assignment? Anyone? You can unmute yourself. Okay, I have to allow you to. Yeah, you can unmute yourself and you can share. And those other people who can, they can share in the chat box. How is your experience of doing this assignment?
Sir, clearing the desktop screen, feeling like we have clear problems, like thinking that.
Wow, wonderful. Navkirat Singh. No clumsiness. Okay, checks what is necessary. Uncluttered. Very good, Pratibha. First step to organize things. Wonderful, Naimisha. Simplified. Wonderful. Yeah, that's the purpose. Okay, I gave you only 5 minutes. So it was a small assignment, but I'll be giving you a big assignment after the end of the session. So be ready for that. Okay. Okay, wonderful. Thank you very much for doing this. By the way, we'll be exceeding this time limit. We'll be having the session of around 75 minutes. So we still have, we are around 57 minutes already done. So things will take time because we are doing the assignment in between also. Wonderful. So now I am getting to the root cause of the mindset. Root cause of the negative mindset. So I just discussed so many things, like we just discussed what all thoughts we are having. So let's see what is the source of these thoughts. So can you see the human trap? Can you see the screen? Human trap. Can you see the screen? Human trap.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So human trap is the root cause of the negative mindset. Okay. So let's see what does it mean. H stands for holding on trap. What does this mean? We are holding on to the negative thoughts, especially from the past experiences. Someone did bad to us, and we are still holding on to the grudge. We could not do something, and we are still holding on to the regret. Suppose I didn't qualify the prelims examination last year, and I am still thinking, yeah, had I revised subject one time more, had I joined that test series, had I left my job, had I taken the leave from my office from 1 month, had I been more disciplined, the things would have been better. So we keep holding on the negative thoughts. We keep holding on the negative experiences from the past. Maybe like we were very good friends and she left me or he left me, but we still keep hanging on those negative experiences. Why did she do it to me, or why did he do it to me? So this is the first thing, the holding on trap. This is the first trap. The second trap is uncertainty trap. Okay, so how many of you really feel this uncertainty? Uncertainty, especially in this COVID time, there is a lot of uncertainty. अभी थर्ड वेव आने वाली है. थर्ड वेव के बाद हम बचेंगे कि नहीं बचेंगे हमें नहीं पता, because second wave has been so disastrous. Many of our near like known relatives, they have left us, and that is very sad. So there is uncertainty. I still have that uncertainty whether I will be alive after third wave or not. So whether I mean, lot of uncertainty, right? Uncertainty about our relatives, uncertainty about our health, uncertainty about what will happen after this prelims exam, what will happen after 2 years. That is another trap that we have, the trap of uncertainty. The third trap is me and my trap. Okay, me and my. That means I'm like this only. This is my car, this is my notes, or this is my degree. And either we are proud of something, or we are arrogant about something. We are attached to something. My father, my mother, my brother, my, someone very close to me. So that is another trap. We are so much attached to the things. Again, now I want to tell you, there is nothing wrong in this, whatever I'm telling you. These are the traps which every human being has. Are you getting this? And this is a very good research. This is the outcome of a research that has been done over the centuries. The next trap is autonomy trap. Autonomy trap means I want to become IAS officer so that no one says to me, "Ye kar lo aap." I want to have so much money, so much, so that I can buy anything. I want to be, so much educated so that no one can ask me to do anything. I will do my own stuff. I will, मैं अपनी खुद की मर्जी चलाऊंगा, मैं अपने हिसाब से. I will live my life on my own terms. The autonomy trap. Okay, the autonomy trap. Now you will say, sir, it is a good thing कि मैं IAS officer बन जाऊं. You will say कि sir क्या problem है? I'm not saying there is a problem, but many people take it very seriously. Have you heard about some people doing the suicides? The civil service aspirants also.
Yes.
If they don't qualify the exam, right? IIT students when the result of
Yes.
IIT entrance exam comes, people, you will hear the news of suicides. Even the officers, the top officers, recently they were the owner of the CD. I don't remember the name. I think some Siddharth, what's his name? I think so. So why he killed himself? Somewhere his business was at loss, and he felt that his autonomy is going. His autonomy is not longer with him. So this autonomy trap is also there, right? By the way, keep relating to this with your own goal also. Whenever whenever you have a thought that, okay, what if I don't become the IAS officer? Don't you think that you are in the autonomy trap? You are under the fear that if I don't become the IAS officer, then I can't live the life of my own choice. By the way, let me tell you, even IAS officer, they don't have any control over their life. Even they don't have any autonomy. They have the autonomy over certain set of people who work under them, but not on other people. Okay? Even they have to operate under the rules. So there is nothing like autonomy in this world. Okay? So that is another thing. Autonomy trap. Next is name, fame, position trap. Name, fame, position. So have you heard about the stories like someone retired from the top post and the person actually was he killed himself after few months? There are so many stories like people retire from the top position, IAS officer also, and when they retire, they have a feeling of like loss of the name, fame, position. So at the 60 years of age, they were enjoying the life. They were having the highest power in the bureaucracy. Everything around them was like as per their choice. But suddenly when they retire, they don't have any name, fame, position. The position is lost. They lose the name, fame, everything. And they don't do the suicide, but they die very soon. Mostly those people who retire, if they don't have any alternative life, or if they are not evolved one, they die very soon. If like they don't understand this track, this happens. Like they don't want to retire actually after 60 years of age. This is one of the examples. There are so many other examples. Okay, some there are so many examples in the Bollywood, right? Like actor and actresses, they kill themselves even after earning so much name, fame, because once they start feeling that they are going down in their career, they are not able to digest that thing. So this is also in trap. Now next thing is equality unfairness trap. You having a feeling that you are not like you didn't get the fair treatment in your life, or it can be like my brother, my sister got better treatment, मेरे पापा तो मेरी सिस्टर से ज्यादा प्यार करते हैं, है ना? या among my friend circle, I am not the one whom everyone likes, or I like my financial position is not good, my parents' financial position is not good, so maybe God is not fair to me, or maybe God is not fair to my parents, God is not fair to my family. So that is also another trap. So these are the 6 traps which are there, and this is called human trap. It's called human trap. As holding on trap, you uncertainty trap, me my relationship. Okay, sorry, just give me.
Hello.
Yeah, I'm here. Don't worry. Yeah. So these are the trap. Now, what is the history behind this trap? Okay, there is no problem in this trap, but what is the history behind this trap? So let's see the history. Yeah. The history of the human genome. Okay. The human beings, we have the history of over 6.5 million years, right? So we have been evolving from our ancestors, and we have been evolving in a very different manner from this to this. So earlier we used to be like this. Our ancestors used to be, very. They used to, go and they used to fight for their food. They used to fight for their survival. They used to fight for their life. There was dinosaurs. In the age of dinosaurs, the dinosaurs, they used to come and they used to pick up our ancestors, and they used to, eat them.
I'm your biggest fan. Please ask Jyoti Super Duper
Yeah. So that used to happen with our ancestors. So our mind has been evolved in a manner so that we can survive. So these negative thoughts are there for our survival, so that we can survive our life. So just understand. Suppose we know that there is a place where tiger lives. Okay. So you are passing on to that route. Maybe, suppose in the starting you don't know that there is a tiger at a place. You are going to a place, and you are going to a place, you are going to a place. Suddenly you find on one fine day that there is a tiger at that place. Now what will happen? Next time you will be very, very, very aware about it. Next time you will be very, very cautious about it. You will not go to that place, or if you go, you will go with proper security or proper safety, right? Or you can understand about the COVID. And once something bad happens to our family, we are very much, fearful about the COVID. So this negative mindset is required so that we can survive. है ना? अगर हम लोग negative नहीं होंगे, so we will not wear the mask, we will not go for the vaccination. Are you getting? So even this negative mindset is required so that we can survive as a human being. But the problem is, this is sufficient for the survival, but this actually stops our happiness, it stops our growth, it stops our lot of other things. So this negative mindset is important for the survival, but it stops our growth, it stops our productivity, it stops the best person. Are you getting? If you don't have the negative mindset, if you don't have the fear, what you will do? You will stand in front of the rail, and rail will finish you off. This is required, yes or no? This negative mindset is required so that we can survive. But the problem is, we are so much into the survival mode that we never realize our potential, right? We never realize our potential. By the way, you will ask, sir, why this is so much into survival mode? Survival is important, but why so much? Because if suppose the total evolution history of India, total evolution history of the human being is 24 hours. Out of the 24 hours, 23 hours 59 minutes, they are into the survival mode. The last 1 minute, this is the last 1 minute, or we can say last maybe 100 years, 200 years, where we are working as a modern person. We are talking about the productivity. We are talking about the digitalization. The world is altogether new. The world is no longer like it used to happen earlier, right? The world has changed in the last 15 minutes. After this COVID came, we started having the Zoom classes. We are having this class of more than 50% because of the COVID. Had not been this COVID, maybe most of you will not come online. You will prefer to come in the offline class. You will prefer to come in Delhi and attend the offline class in our center, right? So the things get changed. The things are getting changing. But so this survival mentality has been there for so many years, 6.5 million years. And we are talking about evolution. We are talking about productivity, or we are talking about, actualization, we are talking about peace, we are talking about happiness of everyone from last 100 years only, right? So majority of our emotions, majority of our thinking pattern, majority of our actions are driven from the negativity, from the survival being. Are you getting something? So let me recap. We started with I started with pointing out certain questions to you, like, are you do you feel that you are unlucky? Do you feel that you are fearful? And you said yes. Then we looked into the history of negative mindset. We looked into the 6 kind of traps, and then we looked into why this happens, because of the evolution of our ancestors have been for the survival, in the survival mode. Most of them have been in the survival mode. Okay, now, so if we see our brain, okay, human brain jo hai, we have 3 layers. One layer is that of reptiles. So how do the reptiles work? They are very instinctive. They are very reactive. Suppose one mouse passes in front of you, what you will do? You will be quickly reacting to it. Right or wrong? So suppose a lizard comes in very close to you, so you will be like doing this. This is the reptile response, auto response. No one taught you. No, your mother don't teach you that you have to react like this when some danger comes to you. So that is a reptile brain. That is a reptile part. The second is the middle part, which is for the pain and pleasure, the emotional part. Like we become happy if we see some of our known person. If I see my favorite food, I become happy. If I see my favorite sweet, or maybe favorite chocolate, or favorite dish, whatever you like, you become happy. Or if you see someone going away after a long time, you feel very sad. So all those are middle brain activities, emotional touch, right? So we are driven by that also. So for example, if I ask you, okay, why you want to become the IAS? Because you want to have that feeling, that emotional, you have some emotional connect with the IAS word. So that is second part. The third part is the human one. This is the highest one, and this has been evolving mostly in the last 100 years. So this is the executive function, self-awareness, intelligent, but this is slow, and this is very small part, right? So human part of the brain is very, very small. The highest evolution of the mind is very, very small, and this works in a very slow manner. That's why the positive thoughts come to us in a very slow manner, and we have to search for the positive thoughts in our mind. The automatic thoughts will automatically come, but for the positive thoughts we have to do some effort. Are you getting? Because that part is not completely evolved. And you know what is a good thing? You can control your responses to the negative emotions, and you can train your brain to have more positive responses. I'm repeating, you can control the reaction to the negative thoughts or because of the negative thoughts, and you can train your brain to generate the positive responses. And we will be working upon that tomorrow, right? So we will be looking into how we can shape our brain, how we can do certain activities so that we are more into the positive domain, and we can overcome the impact of the negative mindset. Clear, everyone? So here we go, the assignment. Ready for the assignment? So this is the assignment, and this assignment you don't have to do live. It's because the time is almost over. This assignment you have to do, and you have to post that you completed this assignment. Okay. So this assignment involves what are your 2 predominant traps. Like maybe some of you have the trap of this autonomy. Some of you have the trap of uncertainty. You are much more scared about uncertainty. Some of you have the trap of holding on to the negative thoughts, right? So what are your 2 major traps? You have to look into that you have to do that exercise. By the way, that should I tell you a secret? Working on ourselves is the most difficult thing for the human beings. Did you learn this secret? Yes or no? Stopping from the normal life and working on ourselves is the most difficult thing. So this assignment looks to be easy, but it will have something on your side, from your side. And those people who complete it, I really salute you, because looking into our life, our thinking pattern, it takes something. So this is the first assignment. And second assignment is that you have to think about the traps which you are having in the life. In the autonomy part, like in all the 6 traps, you have to look into which are the thought process, which areas I am feeling I am having the negative mindset. Okay, clear? So you have to work on this. Now, I wanted to discuss a few more things, but I will be trying to complete this session here only. I want to give you one more assignment. You have to visualize your happiest version. Okay, so suppose this is a cover. This is the cover of the book called Your Life. So you have to design this cover, how your life looks like, how your life, the best version of you, the happiest version of you looks like. Okay, rather than best version, I will say the happiest version, how your happiest version looks like. So this activity either you can do on a paper and pen, or you can do, we will share a Canva link with you, we will share a link with you, you can add it there. Okay, are you clear? You can add it there. Okay, just I'm showing it to you right now. Yeah, can you see the screen? Yeah, suppose here I write, okay, we will share this link with you. When if you click on this link, you click this use template. Once you click on the use template, then you can change it. Okay, suppose I say Rahul Kumar. Okay, and then you can choose your pictures, whatever pictures you want to put. You want to see yourself as an IAS officer, as a good parent, as a good lover, or as a good son, or you want to visit some place of your choice in the world, or you want to perform some activity, you want to build a 6-pack. Okay, you want to enjoy with your friends. You can pick all those pictures over here. It will take some time. Or what you can do, you can make a very rough picture on a page page of paper, and you can post the picture of that. Okay, clear this assignment? Okay, we will post this assignment on the Telegram channel also. This is another assignment. Why this assignment? So that you have a clarity what you want in your life, and we can channelize our happy chemicals. We can channelize we can create a space for the positive thoughts to come in. Clear, everyone? Pratibha Rathod, I will put that on the Telegram channel, because you will be doing the assignment from there. So I will put that in the Telegram channel. Okay, don't worry. Wonderful. So here we pause, and I want to share a few more assignments. Yeah, one more assignment I want to share with you. Ready? The next assignment is, so by the way, this is the third assignment of the day. Impeccability in your space. This is not the first assignment, this is the third assignment. After the live assignment, this is the third assignment. Bring the impeccability in your space, in your room, in your almirah, in your bed, study table, laptop, mobile. Arrange everything in your life. around you. So this is the physical space. You have to make the physical space impeccable around you. Okay. So make the physical space impeccable around you. Okay. Okay, Navkirat Singh, I will explain the assignment again. So the assignment of the, so this assignment is, what are your two predominant traps? Suppose you have predominant trap, you have autonomy trap and uncertainty trap. You will like that. Number two, what are the thoughts that you have for each trap, each of the 6 traps? Because as a human being, we have all the 6 traps. So what are your thoughts about each of the trap? Maybe some of the trap is predominant, some of the trap is not that much predominant. Clear? So I will be posting these assignments in the Telegram channel also, so that you don't have to, you know, struggle for maintaining the, and you have to post the assignment there only. Okay, you have to post the assignment there only, right? One more assignment, that is the 4th assignment of the day. And are you ready for the next assignment, or is it enough? Do you need more assignments? By the way, sorry. How many of you need more assignment? By the way, you can stand up and you can stretch yourself. Okay, we can just be relaxed. This is the end of the session. Yeah. So how many of you need the assignment? Do you need the assignment or not? Really say yes, no, ready, okay.
No, sir.
Okay. Okay, Manmeet. All the assignment you have to submit by 6 p.m. tomorrow. Okay. Our session will start 8 p.m. and you have to submit by 6 p.m. Yeah, you can submit by 6 p.m. tomorrow. Okay. Can't say no to assignment that are given. That was the conditions. Shobana, very good, wonderful. By the way, we'll be giving one more assignment, that is self-awareness exercise. Okay, self-awareness exercise. So in that assignment, you have to fill up one, kind of PDF, or you have to do the exercise, that exercise with yourself for the self-awareness. Okay. So building the self-awareness. So what is this assignment? Let me tell you, let me share with you. So this is the first assignment. Sorry, the next assignment, building self-awareness. How can I best describe myself? What qualities do I admire about myself? What qualities do I hate about myself? How do I want others to see me? What are my strengths and weaknesses? How can I create my more self-awareness in my life? What motivates me in my life? How aware I am of my thoughts, feelings, emotions? What motivates in my life? How aware, okay, what stresses me? What are the most important things in my life? What are the negative fears and doubts I have in mind regarding life, career, or future? These are the 13 questions you have to answer. And this assignment is this assignment, you don't have to submit this file to us, because this can be private. There can be privacy involved. Okay, you may not be comfortable in sharing this file. That's perfectly fine, not a problem, right? So you can keep this file with yourself, but complete this assignment, right? And submit in the chat box that you have completed this assignment. Be truthful to yourself. Don't submit it for the reward. Submit it so that you can get the benefit from this exercise. Okay, clear everyone? So I'll be posting all these assignments in the Telegram channel. I'll be posting the human trap picture. I will be posting the link of that image which you can build. And if you have any question, please ask me right now. Any question? Any question? Please say yes, no. You can unmute yourself. Okay, great. So how is your experience of today's session? What are you taking? What one learning you are taking from today's session? Please say in the chat box or You can unmute and you can say it out. What is the one learning that you are taking out from one session? Any one learning. By the way, as I told you, every session will be a unique session, and we are building on. So today's session was the foundation. We can say we completed only, I can say, 2% of the workshop today, not 20%. Don't think that 5 days that means 20% daily. Today it was only 2%. It was the foundation. And we build the foundation. It takes time and it is not visible, but it is very important. Okay, Gayatri, not to fear of negative thoughts. Very good. Be happy for most of the time. I will be accountable to me, sir. Clarity of thought, how to organize, not to fear of negative thoughts. Okay, wonderful. Anyone, please. Okay. After a long time, I will work on myself. That's a very good, Jadip. Actually, way for self-improvisation to face my strengths and weaknesses. Okay. Understanding about traps. We should not try to complain. ट्राई भी नहीं करना चाहिए, करना ही नहीं चाहिए. ट्राई नहीं करना ना, आपको ट्राई नहीं करना, आपको करना ही नहीं है कंप्लेन. देयर इज नो कंप्लेन दैट यू हैव टू डू. ओके, यू हैव टू बी 10 टाइम मोर एक्साइटेड. 10 टाइम मोर एक्साइटेड. मिथिलेश, नात्या, अभिषेक चंद्रा, 10 टाइम मोर एक्साइटेड. आर यू?
Yes, sir.
Okay, evolution of mind and how it works. Wonderful, wonderful. Great. Negative thoughts should be overcome by positive thoughts. Vastav. Full about yourself. Very good, Mithilesh. Wonderful. 10 times more excited. Okay, Natya Sankar. Very good. Wonderful. Converting weakness to strength. Wonderful. Wonderful. Yeah. So do these exercises and tomorrow we will meet 8 p.m. Right? And this session will be, around 60 to 70 minutes. Please schedule for your 60 to 70 minutes, because when we have the live assignment, it is not possible to complete the assignment in, 50 minutes. So rather, I should say it should be 50 minutes plus assignment time, because assignment also takes a lot of time. Okay, so we are completing this session today. Thank you very much. If you have any question, please unmute yourself, or I will complete the session in 2 minutes. And start doing this assignment. The first assignment you have to complete by 11 p.m. That is arranging your mobile or laptop screen. The rest of the assignment you have to complete by tomorrow 6 p.m. Right? Tomorrow 8 p.m. we will again meet. Wonderful. By the way, I didn't introduce myself. Do you want to know more about me? Many of you are like new to this are like diagram. Okay. My name is Rahul Kumar. I am a chartered accountant by qualification, and I appeared for the UPSC. I qualified the mains examination 3 times. I worked for the government organizations for 8 years, for the central government organizations. And I'm in this, mentoring to the students for the last 7 years. And many people have qualified with the top ranks from our various initiatives. I am the master in economy and GS mains paper, especially paper 2, paper 3, some area of the paper 1. Yeah, so that's all about me. Right. Anything else you want to know about me? And whatever I'm sharing it with you, I work on those principles in my life as well. So I will not teach you anything which is not practical or which is like I don't practice, because I can bring that conviction only if I practice that. Otherwise I can't bring the conviction to deliver to you. Right? So to teach you, first I have to apply in my life. So I apply all of this in my life, whatever I'm delivering to you. Okay. Jadip, my option was commerce and accountancy. Okay, not the psychology. Okay. I am like I have the interest in all these things, and I have a mission that see what I felt in my journey as a UPSC aspirant, and when I come across to so many people in the UPSC journey, because now I'm a coach in the UPSC. So I find like UPSC journey after a certain time, it becomes a burden. Like first attempt is fine, second attempt is also fine, but in the first and second attempt, very few people qualify. Most of the people, 99.99% people, they don't qualify in the first and second attempt. And the journey becomes very, very difficult after the second attempt. Now, people start feeling it like a burden. Even before starting the journey of UPSC, many students, they feel that it is very difficult. We have to study like a robot, or we have to sacrifice everything in our life. We can't be a normal human being. We have to be something like a Baba. एकदम रूम में बंद होके बैठ जाएंगे, घर वालों से डिस्कनेक्ट हो जाएंगे, अपनी लाइफ से डिस्कनेक्ट हो जाएंगे, अपनी हॉबी से डिस्कनेक्ट हो जाएंगे. But that creates a lot of unworkability in the preparation. That creates a lot of stuff which is unwanted. You don't bring your natural self to the preparation, and that is not what is required for this examination, right? There are certain productivity hacks, certain scientific things that you have to know, and I want to make you more productive, more satisfying using those tools. So that is my ultimate purpose. This is first of its kind course. As I know, in India, there is no one delivering this kind of course. And there are so many teachers for teaching you general studies, for teaching you current affairs, and so many things. But how many people actually talk about the real issues that you are dealing as a human being? Like, you are a student for the 10 hours, you can study for 10 hours, but for 14 hours, and even for those 10 hours, 24 hours, you have certain issues which keep troubling you, right? So I want to work upon that. Okay, great. So my passion is for you to be more happy, satisfying in your life, and more excited, 10 times more excited. Okay, ready? Excited, 10 times more excited in your life?
Yes, sir.
Great, wonderful. So tomorrow I
Yes, sir.
want the video of everyone. Those people who are off video, please take this as a warning. Okay, tomorrow you have to come on video. If you don't come video, then I can do anything. I have the control over this class. Okay, you have to operate as per the principles of this class, not as a force, but from, like, I have a request to you to come on live. Okay, so that we can interact as a human being, not as a robot. Okay, I can see only names on the screen. That does not inspire me. That does not give me the human feeling. If I can see your faces, that gives me the energy, the human feeling. Okay, especially in this online world, that is very much required, because we are already so much occupied with our laptops, with our mobile phone. The humanness is missing. So why not to grab every opportunity to bring the humanity? Okay, great. Thank you very much. Good night.
Thank you, sir.
Good night, sir.
Good night.
Good night.
Good night, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
And good night to you.
Thank you, sir. Good night, sir. Thank you, sir.
Good night,
Thank you,
everyone.
sir.